एक बेहतरीन अदाकारा। जब आपको मैंने अभी देखा तो मुझे ये नहीं पता चल रहा था कि मैं डिम्पल को देख रहा हूं या मैं प्रीति को देख रहा हूं या मैं मोनिका को देख रहा हूं या मैं क्यारा को देख रहा हूं। तो मैं किससे बात कर रहा हूं आज?
So sweet of you, Gaurav. Thank you for having me here. Hello, namaste to everybody here today. I think, firstly, I'd have to say कि what better an occasion for us to be here together because there's something we both have in common, which is also to do with the last film I was a part of, शेर शाह. और I think आगे हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे और गौरव आप सबको बताएंगे कि what is that special thing between, that we both have in common. लेकिन आज आप सिर्फ मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं and all these wonderful characters that I've played are a big and very, very important and special part of my life. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपके साथ यहाँ पे आके सबके सामने बात करने के लिए.
इसीलिए जब ये कहा जाता है ना कि क्यारा आडवाणी सबसे बैंकेबल स्टार्स में से एक ऐसी अदाकारा, देश विदेश में आप लाखों दिलों पर राज कर रही हैं, तो क्या वो यही आपका अंदाज है, यही आपकी अदा है? अगर हम सबसे पहले शुरुआत डिम्पल से ही करें, वो वेरी क्लोज टू यू, वेरी क्लोज टू मी. आपने डिम्पल एक ऐसी महिला के रूप में अपने आप को कैसे ढाला? और हम डिम्पल चीमा की, आप सबने शेरशाह देखी, एक बहुत जबरदस्त फिल्म. हम शेरशाह की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा परमवीर चक्र विजेता, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तानियों को किस तरह से नाको चने चबाने पर मजबूर किया और कारगिल की ऊंचाइयों पर जीत हासिल की, उस वीर योद्धा के पीछे की शक्ति डिम्पल थी.
बिल्कुल. ये स्क्रिप्ट मुझे याद है, मैं करण से बात कर रही थी एक दिन और उन्होंने मुझे बताया that we're going to be doing a biopic on Captain Vikram Batra and there's a beautiful part of his life that people don't know much about, but it's so inspiring and beautiful that it's a big part of the story and we'd like you to come and hear the script. तो मैं गई, विष्णु सर के साथ पहली मुलाकात हुई थी. He narrated the story to me and then he gave me the script. उस नरेशन में ही मुझे पता था that this has touched me in a way that I already felt connected to that script. I felt like ये कहानी मतलब सिर्फ इंडिया को ही नहीं, I think we need to take it worldwide because it's such a proud story. It just felt like he's one of our own. And of course, everyone around him. और मुझे याद है मैं एक फ़्लाइट पकड़ रही थी and I had the script in my hand. और कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना, when you watch a good film or you watch something you really love, you want to re-watch it or you want to reread it. And I had just finished hearing the narration, but I opened the script and I said, I want to read it again. I just wanted to keep thinking about it, thinking about their story, thinking about what that was. और फिर डिम्पल के साथ मेरी पहली मुलाकात हुई थी and I just felt like ये लड़की I don't think मेरी ज़िंदगी में मैंने, I think apart from my parents, because I think they touch would have a wonderful love story, but I've never seen someone who's so selfless. And I think if Captain Vikram Batra was Captain Vikram Batra, उन्होंने अपनी टक्कर की एक कुड़ी मिली. Dimple was that girl. She was, anyone in the armed forces, I think it's the most selfless profession that career path that you take up. And even to be a partner to someone who's serving the country is a service to your nation as well, because for all the sacrifices they put up with as well. So it just touched me in a way that was too special. And I know you were that person who was there when he made that last phone call. Or today I'm sitting and speaking with you, so I feel we have this connection. I don't know, I always feel like Sher Shah is a movie that it's connected with, I don't know why, and I feel like even people who've watched this film, somehow we all just feel connected to this story.
True.
I just feel that's how this film was, and I think that's when I realized I want to be that kind of actor where when people watch my work or when people see me perform, or I want them to feel like they know this person. I want them to feel like ये अपना सा है, that चाहे वो डिम्पल हो या प्रीति हो या मोनिका, whoever the character I play, I like that. And that's, I think as an actor, that's the biggest compliment when someone comes to you and says कि they address you by your name. कि बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ था after कबीर सिंह कि सब आके मुझे प्रीति, and they would talk to me like they know me. They would, I feel like they've seen me grow, they've seen my journey, they've seen my films, and they start connecting with each character, and that's such a huge satisfaction as an actor.
दैट्स एक्चुअली ह्यूज क्रेडिट. लेकिन आप ऐसा कर कैसे लेती हैं कि आप अपने आप को ढाल लेती हैं उस कैरेक्टर में पूरी तरह, कि जब जो सेना के उनके दोस्तों से ही मैंने डिम्पल के बारे में सुना था. I'd never met her. I mean, I'd met Vikram Batra. I'd met these brave soldiers जो जैकरिफ के थे, और जनरल वाई के जोशी जो समय लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल वाई के जोशी थे, और आप शायद मिली भी अभी लद्दाख में. आप लद्दाख भी गई. तो आपने ढाला कैसे, आपने अपने आप को तैयार कैसे किया उस रोल के लिए?
I think as a person, for me, and also as an actor, I think my emotional quotient is very high. So it's very, if I meet someone, I automatically connect with that person, and I know how, I don't know, I think personally I'm like that. I can sit and have a conversation with you, and maybe by the end of that conversation, we'll feel like we've known each other forever. And शायद हम फिर, you know, बड़े महीनों बाद बात करेंगे, लेकिन जब मिलेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ हम ये there was a connection, and that's something that's in my personality. I think as a person, I like to live in that present moment. So when I met with Dimple, I felt ki it was such a unique story that it instantly touched my heart, and I was so overwhelmed by her love, by, you know, her just everything that she had for Captain Vikram Batra and her sense of self. She's a very, I feel, she's a, if I have to say Nari Shakti, or if I have to say somebody who's extremely empowered and confident in being herself, I think that would be Dimple. You know, जिस तरीके से she's, you know, so respectfully and selflessly shared her story with us, first of all. And she didn't want to be in, you know, like if you see, if there's no picture of hers that's out, we've maintained that privacy because we wanted to give her that respect, because she only shared her story for her love for Captain Vikram Batra. And that's why when I met her, I instantly connected with her. Or when it comes to process and it comes to getting into that whole character, I feel for the first time I had a real life reference. So जब आप किसी को मिलते हैं, then you know automatically it makes it a little easier. But मेरे दिमाग में ये कभी नहीं था that I want उसकी चाल ढाल को या जिस तरीके से वो बात करती है, I didn't want to get those things perfect. I just wanted to get the intent and the sentiment right.
मतलब अगर अमर प्रेम होता है तो ये अमर प्रेम था.
जी, और अगर मतलब मैं उसकी भावनाओं को समझ के वो अपने आप में, you know, just kind of imbibing that and bringing it to the audience. So I'm glad that we've managed to make you feel the way we felt when we met her, since we had that privilege of meeting, you know, everyone who was so connected with him and his family. But जी, इस particular film के लिए, I think this was my process, just to sit and understand, you know, the true sentiment of what she felt.